How's it going, guys? If you haven't noticed by the title yet, this is an unboxing of Triple D's new powders collection. I don't know what to call it. She came out with a bunch of new colors. I think like 7 or 8 solid, beautiful dip powders and 9 chromable dip powders, which I'm going to do a tutorial on how to chrome her dip powders any day now. And yeah. Oh, she also came out with a brand new matte, and that's what I'm pulling out right now. I can't wait for you guys to see it. Like, I was really intrigued by this matte because the backing is not your traditional matte like from Sparkle & Co. or Maniology or AliExpress. This is a non-bendable matte. I do not recommend bending it, or you can get like dents and divots, but I just love how it just has this fading effect in the background, like super blurred out. So these are all the powders that I just got from her. Yeah, you can tell there's so many of them, and I still have to pull out the other bubble wrap packaging with the other powders. So there's more to show, more to swatch. Oh, and the way that this video is going to go is it's going to be pretty short. I'm going to swatch all of these off camera and then show you guys a comparison of the finished swatch versus the powder in the jar. So I can't wait for you guys to see those, which are coming up right now. Try to be really cool and descriptive, but I doubt I'll succeed. This is a very soft, like not 100% opaque sea foamy green. Is that what you call it? With like hints of gold and yellow glitter. The way the light catches it is absolutely stunning. The second color, Tricky Turquoise, it is a beautiful solid. If you've never worked with her solids, they're amazing. They're a breeze to work with. They're so perfect. They don't buff out. They're just awesome. I love this like minty color. It is gorgeous. Baby Nunu reminds me of a color that you'd probably wear to a baby shower. I actually have good plans for this soft, beautiful, cloudy, like imagine perfect blue skies or clouds, like not white clouds, blue clouds. That's what I do with it. Going back to the pinks, this color is called Very Berry, and it's not like a strawberry. It's not red, obviously. You can tell for your own eyes. I would definitely probably like wear this like with a watermelon type of mani. And again, this is the color Very Berry is on the far right in comparison. This next color is called Tropics. Super beautiful coral. It's not like a stark, super bright in your face. It's very soft. I recommend 3 dips for this one. Flamingo is another pink that's in the collection. I love all the pinks that she comes out with. Triple D's favorite color is pink, so it makes sense why there's so many pinks in this one. I'm trying to decide if pinky is my favorite color or the last one that I'm going to show you out of all these pinks. Like, it is a beautiful, perfect pink. But then I could say the same about the next one that is coming up. Bubblegum is on a softer version of Pinky, completely soft. Like, I think this one and Baby Nunu would be a beautiful pair together. And now we're into the chrome. So there's 9 of these colors. I didn't chrome them on camera, so I am sorry I don't have that for you. These photos / videos, what you're seeing here is just the colors used as a dip powder, straight dipped, not chromed. But I do plan on doing a chroming video using chroming it over itself and chroming it over like black gel, which apparently that's recommended for chroming. So just so you know. Sunken Treasure is my favorite of all the ones, the 9 that she came out with. It's a beautiful, gorgeous gold. It's stunning. I love it. Emerald City. I just love the name of this. Like, I think of Wizard of Oz and that just emerald beautiful city. So I'm going to leave you guys to it so you can just sit here, watch, take in, and enjoy the rest of these beautiful colors. Alright, I'm back. Here are the three bluish greenish colors next to each other so you can see how gorgeous they are. And then all of the pinks and corals that were just released. And then next up we have all of the chromes side by side next to each other. They're really gorgeous, and the names that were given to them are super perfect and fitting and like just right on, spot on. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you want to be notified of more videos to come.